Right, hello, welcome back to Phil's Salvage Rebuilds and the last video on the Mercedes estate. So this video will again be recorded over several days because in this video I want to get the car serviced, I want to get a tyre changed, I want to get the MOT done, and I want to do the final walk around and the full price breakdown of this car, so then we're completely done with this car and it's gone. So we're going to crack on straight away. I've got the car running right now, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to service it. Just all the fluids change, oil filter, air filter, panel, cabin filter, sorry, just the basic stuff, a basic service for it, ready for its new owner. And then, so today's Saturday, and then on Monday I'm going to take it for the MOT and the tyres will be changed, and then Monday evening I will do the price breakdown, like I said, all on this video. Then the video will come out probably on Tuesday. So let's crack on and let's get this car let's get this car serviced. Yeah, I've got my pan under there now draining the oil. The sump plug is on this side of the sump, so that lean will actually help it drain all of it out the sump. So we'll leave it on the jack, and I'm going to do the oil filter now. Okay, oil filter done. We're going to move on to the air filter, which is under here. Quite a funky air filter with these. That thing. So we'll get that swapped out now. So I've got all the undercovers back on. I had a load off because when we were trying to do that cable for the battery, I took all the covers off underneath to be able to have a look. So all that's back on now. Sump plug's back in. We'll drop it back down and we'll get this oil in, and then we'll be done. We're halfway up on the dipstick, so we're going to give it a bit of a run for a minute, and then we'll shut it off and we'll check it again, and then that should be it. Should be done. Okay, service done. So that will be it for today. This video will continue, like I said, on Monday, when we'll get it MOT, get the new tyre, and we'll do the final price breakdown of it. So I will see you tomorrow, or Monday. Well, it'll be Monday, but it'll be 2 seconds for you. Bye. Alright guys, so it's time to finish off the final part of the final video on the Mercedes estate. So as promised, it's been for its MOT, and we've got ourselves a full 12 months MOT. Where's let's get that right. There you go. Done ourselves a replacement tyre, replace the tyre should I say, passenger front, so that makes this car complete. It's finished. I've given it a bit of a ballet, nothing special, and there is a guy coming tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow for me. It'll probably be, this video will probably be released after he's been to see it, so there's a good chance this car's going to be sold by the time you've seen this video. So I'll just do a quick walk round, and then I'll do some still images, put all the prices of the parts up, so you can see exactly how much it's cost to get this car back on the road. So we have it. It's a bit windy today, so apologise if there's any wind noise. I will try and keep it as quickly as possible out here, and I'll just voice over for the price breakdown. Just give you a quick walk around it. It's front, all the new front end, new DRLs, new AMG bumper, new passenger front tyre. Nothing wrong with the side of this car. There's nothing wrong with the back. A couple of scuffs, a couple of marks on the rear bumper, but like I said at the beginning, this car's going to be a load lugger, so it's going to get marked up. I didn't see the point really in dealing with them marks then. So this is the other side, nice and clean. So there we have it. So yeah, I'll do the price breakdown now for you. I'll throw it up on a still image and voice over it, and give you a quick look inside it probably now. It's a clean car. Jump in the back. That's the cockpit there. Nice and clean. So I'll throw the price breakdown now up and we'll go through that quickly and then we'll be done. Okay, here's the first page of prices, so we'll work down them. I won't go too slow on this, get through them. So the hammer price we all know was £1,200 from Copart. Once you include the fees and delivery, it was £1,574.40, so that's £374.40 for the fees and the delivery of this vehicle from York. So I managed to get a bonnet for £230, already in the correct colour, second hand, aluminium type as well. The battery lead, which is the pyro for the positive battery, was £45. We had the crash bar, aluminium front crash bar, brand new, £66.49. The big grille, which is the grille with the Mercedes emblem on, that was £90, brand new. 3 new seat belts, both rears and drivers, £90 second hand. Wheel airbag, £135, again second hand. Knee airbag, £45. Headlight, £88. Intercooler, £59.95. The paint was £21 to paint the front bumper. Washer bottle, £28. AMG front bumper, £90. Bumper bracket was £41.99. So as you can see already, there's quite a few pieces mounting up for this car, and it soon adds up. We know the issue with the bumper. We're going to talk about that on the next page. But just little bits, you know, they all add up eventually, and it soon catches up on you how much these cars take to repair. So on to the second page and the last page. We have the registration plate holder for the bumper, £48. So £48 for a little piece of plastic that's behind a number plate. But anyway, so the AMG grills, £125. Now obviously if I had bought the correct bumper, we wouldn't have needed them, so we could have saved ourselves £125 there. But I think it looks really good with the AMG bumper, so not too upset about that really. So then we've got the wheel airbag loom. We talked about this. On the old airbag, when it ignited, the plugs melted into the airbag, which must always happen. So these eBay shops selling the airbags, they should really be including this loom, and they don't, because they want to get that little bit of extra money out of it. So the airbag loom cost another £20, so £155 in total to replace that steering wheel airbag after you've paid the £135 for the airbag itself. The next 3 prices are just guesses because I haven't paid the bill for these yet. Service kit, I'm going to say £50. It's only oil filter, air filter. The tyre, I'm going to say was about £40 because, like I said, I haven't paid for it yet. And the number plates, I think, are usually about £10 for the pair. So that brings us up to a total of £2,897.45. So bearing in mind the car to the door was £15.37, I think. That gives us what? I'm just going to roughly say here. £1,350 in parts, roughly. It's cost to put this car back on the road. And of course, I haven't added the MOT onto that either, so I can't edit it now. Add another £40 onto that for the MOT, brings up to £2,937.43. Still a cheap car, and I think well worth it for 2013 C220 estate with 97,000 on. Yeah, chuffed with that. A little bit over budget, but like I said, I think still very good value for money. Okay, there we go. So You've seen all the prices, you've seen what I've got in this car. I think all in all it's turned out really well actually, and perhaps just a touch over budget, but still cracking value really for a 2013 C220 estate with 97,000 on it. Still low mileage for these. Majority of them on eBay are 150 to 200,000 miles. So I think it's turned out to be a good car at a good price. So the next person who gets it has a well sorted car, ready, full MOT, serviced. Shouldn't have any issues with it. It drives really well, nice and smooth. The gearbox is perfect. There's no bangs, no rattles. These German cars, even with 100,000 miles on them, they still drive like a new car. They're phenomenal really. They're so well put together. It's been quite an enjoyable experience putting this one together. So I'm gonna leave it there. We've all seen enough of this car now. This is 8 videos I think it is, so or even 9, I can't remember now. So yes, thank you very much for watching. As always, if you do enjoy these videos, please do subscribe to the channel, thumbs up for the videos, and don't forget to press that bell notification so you're notified of every future video that I upload. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. We're getting very close to 5,000 subscribers now, which is massive. It's incredible, and I never thought this would happen, especially so quick this year. Things have really took off. So I'm really happy with how things are going, and long may it continue. So thanks again guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.